Ever wondered how Domino's, one of the world's largest pizza delivery companies, got started? The seed of Domino's was sown in the year 1960, not by some multinational conglomerate, but by two brothers with a dream. These brothers, Tom and James Monahan, had little more than their ambition and a small pizza store named Dominoes in Ypsilanti, Michigan. They started with a simple plan: to deliver high-quality pizzas to their local community. The beginning was anything but smooth. The brothers faced countless challenges, from financial difficulties to operational hurdles, but they persisted. After all, they were not just selling pizzas, they were selling an experience, a slice of happiness delivered right to the doorstep. In the early days, their business model was a traditional one, catering to both dine-in customers and delivery orders. However, they soon noticed a trend. The majority of their business was coming from deliveries. This realization was a turning point. They decided to focus solely on pizza delivery, a decision that would shape the future of Domino's. James Monahan, however, decided to trade his half of the business for a used Volkswagen Beetle, leaving Tom as the sole owner. Undeterred, Tom Monahan began to expand. He started franchising, and the single Domino's store began to multiply. The name Domino's was coined in 1965. The idea behind the name was to add a dot for each new store. However, the rapid growth outpaced the original idea, and the three-dot logo we know today came into existence, representing the first 3 stores. The journey of Domino's is a testament to the power of perseverance, the ability to adapt, and the importance of a clear vision. What started as a single store in a small town in Michigan has now blossomed into a global phenomenon, serving millions of pizzas daily in over 85 countries. From a single store in Michigan, USA, to a global phenomenon, Domino's had a humble start, but a vision that was anything but. But how did Domino's evolve from a single store to a global pizza delivery giant? Well, it's a story that's as hot and fresh as the pizzas they serve. Following its inception, Domino's swiftly embarked on a trajectory of growth, with the franchise model playing a crucial role. By transferring the operational risk to franchisees and reaping the benefits of scale and brand recognition, Domino's was able to expand rapidly. This aggressive franchising strategy was a key ingredient in Domino's recipe for global success, turning it into the pizza powerhouse we know today. But Domino's didn't just rely upon franchising. They understood the value of a promise and the trust it could build with customers. So they introduced the 30-minute delivery guarantee. A bold move, this guarantee promised customers that their pizzas would arrive within 30 minutes or they'd receive their order for free. This was a game changer in the fast food industry and set a new standard for pizza delivery services. Then came another milestone: the opening of the first international store in Winnipeg, Canada, in 1983. This marked the beginning of Domino's global footprint. Today, from the bustling streets of New York to the vibrant lanes of New Delhi, you'll find a Domino's store serving hot, delicious pizzas. Alongside these growth strategies, Domino's also understood the importance of a strong, recognizable brand. Thus, the iconic Domino's logo was born. The 3 dots on the logo represent the first 3 stores of the chain. And although there are now more than 16,000 stores worldwide, the logo remains the same, symbolizing the brand's humble beginnings and extraordinary growth. With innovation and customer satisfaction at its core, Domino's scaled new heights in the pizza delivery business. It wasn't just about making pizzas. It was about creating memorable experiences, one slice at a time. And that, folks, is how Domino's grew from a single pizza store to a global delivery giant. With innovation and customer satisfaction at its core, Domino's scaled new heights in the pizza delivery business. Did you know that Domino's is not just a pizza company, but also a tech company? That's right. Over the years, Domino's has been at the forefront of technological innovation in the food industry, using technology as a key ingredient to enhance its delivery service and customer experience. Let's rewind a bit. It all began with the introduction of online ordering. Back in the early 2000s, Domino's saw the internet as a new frontier for business. They launched their online ordering system, a move that was considered bold and revolutionary at the time. This allowed customers to place their orders with just a few clicks, bringing an unparalleled level of convenience to pizza lovers. But Domino's didn't stop there. They wanted to keep their customers informed about their order status. Thus came the birth of Domino's Pizza Tracker. This unique feature allowed customers to track their order's progress from the moment it was placed to the moment it arrived at their doorstep. It offered transparency and reassured customers that their pizza was on its way. In the quest to further elevate the customer experience, Domino's then ventured into artificial intelligence. They introduced Dom, an AI-powered chatbot that took pizza ordering to the next level. Dom could understand and process customer orders, answer queries, and even suggest add-ons, making the ordering process smoother and more interactive. Domino's didn't just limit their innovations to online platforms. They also experimented with delivery methods, dabbling in drone deliveries and even autonomous vehicles, all in an attempt to get their pizzas to their customers faster and more efficiently. So, you see, Domino's has always been more than just a pizza company. It's a tech company that's constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the food industry. By embracing technology, Domino's has not only improved its own service, but has also set new industry standards. It's a testament to their commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. Embracing technology has not just improved Domino's service, but has also set new industry standards. Fast forward to today, what does the Domino's landscape look like? Let's take a look at the pizza delivery giant in the present day. Domino's has grown far beyond its humble beginnings. It has become a global phenomenon, with its presence felt in over 85 countries. From the United States to India, from Australia to Brazil, Domino's is a name synonymous with delicious pizza. This impressive global footprint is a testament to the brand's adaptability and commitment to delivering quality food, no matter where its customers are. And it's not just about pizza anymore. Domino's menu has evolved over the years, reflecting the diverse tastes of its worldwide customer base. Today, you'll find a variety of offerings from pasta and chicken wings to sandwiches and desserts, all crafted with the same dedication to quality and flavor that made their pizza so popular. But Domino's isn't just about delivering tasty food, it's about delivering experiences. The brand prides itself on its commitment to community service. Through various initiatives, Domino's has been making a difference in the communities it serves, whether it's by providing meals for those in need, supporting local schools, or contributing to disaster relief efforts. The company is always looking for ways to give back. That's a part of their ethos, their DNA. It's not just about doing business. It's about making a positive impact. Innovation remains at the heart of Domino's operations. The company is constantly looking for ways to enhance the customer experience, whether it's through introducing new menu items, improving delivery times, or leveraging technology to make ordering more convenient. They've come a long way from that single store in Ypsilanti, Michigan, but their mission remains the same: to be the best pizza delivery company in the world. From a single store to a global pizza delivery giant, Domino's continues to redefine the pizza delivery experience. And we can't wait to see where they'll go next. So what can we learn from the Domino's story? Indeed, the Chronicle of Domino's is an inspirational saga, a testament to the power of vision, determination, and an unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. It's not just about pizza. It's about the entrepreneurial spirit, creativity, innovation, and resilience. From its humble beginnings, Domino's has shown us the importance of a strong vision. Tom Monaghan, with his dream of creating a pizza empire, started a journey that transformed a single pizza store into an international phenomenon. His vision was clear: to deliver hot, delicious pizza to customers' doorsteps faster than anyone else. That vision, coupled with sheer determination, is what set the stage for the Domino's we know today. Domino's growth story is also a testament to the power of customer focus. The company's promise to deliver pizzas within 30 minutes or less wasn't just a marketing gimmick, it was a commitment to customer satisfaction. Domino's understood that in the fast-paced world of today, time is of the essence. By focusing on the customer's needs and desires, Domino's was able to set itself apart in a highly competitive market. Innovation played a key role in Domino's success. The company didn't just innovate in terms of its product offerings, but also in its approach to technology. From launching a mobile ordering app to pioneering pizza delivery via drone, Domino's has always been at the forefront of technological advancements. This willingness to adapt to change and embrace new technologies has played a significant role in the company's ability to stay relevant and competitive. Lastly, Domino's teaches us that a resilient spirit is necessary to overcome challenges. The company has faced its share of obstacles, from market saturation to public relations crises. But time and again, Domino's has bounced back, stronger and more determined. So, as we look back at the Domino's story, we see a narrative filled with lessons on vision, determination, customer focus, innovation, and resilience. It's a story that inspires us to dream big, work hard, and never lose sight of our customers' needs. The Domino's story is not just about pizza, it's a testament to the power of vision, determination, and an unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction.